growth opportunities, emerging technologies, new business models, and companies to action across all industries. Frost & Sullivan.
Hi everyone, this is Niranjan Manohar from Frost & Sullivan. We are at CES 2020 and we are having a great time. We are here to meet Quantum. So can you give us a sneak peek or the unique value proposition of what Quantum is trying to achieve for the autonomous world?
Sure. Well, Quantum is trying to leverage 35 years of managing huge amounts of unstructured data in other industries for the assisted and autonomous vehicle industry. So our specialty is helping OEMs and their suppliers capture and manage huge amounts of data in a way that's scalable, high performing, and cost effective.
I know you are in the media earlier
Yeah.
than the automotive industry. So what actually led you to develop the same solution, or if not better, for the automotive industry?
Well, so we've been in media and entertainment, geospatial, government, other sectors, so managing huge amounts of unstructured data for decades. What we added to the solution is the R series, which is a ruggedized in-vehicle storage device that allows companies to, in their fleet of test vehicles, capture many terabytes of test data on a removable storage magazine that you can pull out of the trunk of the car once you've captured the data, walk it over to your data center, plug the magazine in, and our system recognizes that data is there and immediately begins to ingest it and protect it and back it up. From there, the data is made available to engineering teams and Hill systems, and then it's moved to other storage tiers as needed. And what our system does is it moves the data to and from the different storage tiers seamlessly and transparently to the end user. And that's what really drives the performance and cost effectiveness of the solution.
We are in the test and development phase, right? So what USP are you going to give the mobility world, including the OEMs, tier ones, and the tier twos as well?
Well, so the name of the game is to develop algorithms, the brain of these cars that can drive a car as well or better than a human being. And that's contingent on capturing huge amounts of test data and then testing and refining those algorithms against that test data. So if a company has a dozen or 20 test vehicles that they're sending out for 6 hours at a time, imagine how much data that is that they're bringing back into the data center. We can help them immediately get that data out of the cars and into the lab where it can be processed and analyzed and stored. And then they can iteratively improve and enhance those algorithms to improve their technology. So that's the value for us.
So where do you see the future for Quantum in the next 5 years? Or what do you see Quantum solving for the mobility ecosystem?
Yeah. Well, it's a couple of things. First of all, I think that the industry is at something of a crossroads where the need for capacity and performance is far beyond what anybody had predicted. So folks are trying to figure out how to handle these huge amounts of data. Well, that's something we've been doing for 30 years. So to be able to help companies do that in a way that's cost effective is the most powerful application of our technology. But yeah, it goes beyond just a solution for test vehicles. So anywhere you're looking to manage huge amounts, like we're talking hundreds of petabytes, even exabytes of data across the geo-distributed organization, we're the solution. That's what we've been doing for, again, 35 plus years. So we think that trend is going to continue, the need for capacity and performance, and we're perfectly positioned to meet that.